Although Governor Greg Abbott says the state is working to increase testing for COVID-19, you still need a doctor's approval in Texas, and some patients get priority. They include healthcare providers, first responders, seniors, those with underlying conditions, and those with severe symptoms. Our investigative team has learned this mother who died yesterday in Williamson County from the coronavirus did not check any of these boxes. Her two daughters told KXAN investigator Erin Cargile their mother might still be alive if she had been tested sooner.
The past 2 weeks have been like living in a nightmare.
Sisters Kristen Campbell and Lauren Mays just lost the strongest woman they knew.
I'll just remember her as super bubbly, outgoing and loving, just loves with her whole heart.
Their mom, Michelle Lee Carter, a healthy 53-year-old, lost her battle with COVID-19 Tuesday after 7 days in the ICU. Her family says she started feeling ill about 2 weeks prior to her death.
She sent me a text saying, "I don't feel good, I'm definitely sick, but don't worry, it's not COVID. I've talked to the doctors."
She told her daughters doctors she met with online through telemedicine appointments thought it was just the flu because she was experiencing a high fever and was extremely tired, but no breathing problems. The sisters believe that's why she was not allowed to be tested for COVID-19. But about a week later, the situation changed.
She couldn't breathe. She described it to me like, she said, "I had an attack and I can't breathe." And so they told me to go to the emergency room.
Carter drove herself there and was tested. The results came back positive and she was admitted.
Who knows what the outcome would be if my mom had been able to be tested many days when she was showing symptoms.
They're also trying to focus on the good. Their deepest gratitude goes to doctors and nurses working in the ICU at Baylor Scott and White Round Rock, who risked their own lives to try and save Carter's. The hardest part of all, not visiting their mom.
I just wish that we could be there holding her hand.
The hospital asked if they wanted to come suit up and say goodbye, but they declined, knowing their mom would not want to put them at risk.
And I just hope she knows that there would be 100 people in that room if there could be.
Yeah.
Because my worst fear is that she feels like she died alone, and I think deep down I know that she knows she didn't.
Erin Cargile, KXAN, investigates.